Here's Flashscore App, live scores and news. Here is you can just tap get and just double click to install it. Download the fastest live scores, read exclusive news, check out the key moments, track player ratings, explore detailed stats, follow your favorite players, analyze current form. One of the best apps, like if you want to see live scores and sports news app, goal, score, stories, all on Flashscore. Follow the latest highlights across the world of sport. Choose from 30 plus sports and 6,000 plus competition, and our tailored notifications will let you know about every important action of the match. Fastest live results, in-depth sport news, multimedia content, personalized favorites, receive top news notifications, goal alerts, and customized reminders for your favorite teams, competitions, or matches. Expert match previews, predicted lineups. So yeah, honestly, one of the best apps in this category. A lot of users like it, and then you can just instantly see like all of the top competitions, like Paris Saint-Germain, Nice. Just tap on this, see the score, see the lineups, see live odds, and yeah, so that's just what you have. Then you can see games, and you can see some live scores. You can see all of the sports, literally so many different sports. And then league, and that's just all the leagues in all the different countries. Quite cool. Can also, just as you can see, I used it without creating an account. um, Change language, log in just with Apple to save your favorite teams, save your favorite matches, favorites on all devices. You can just do that. So yeah, that's the idea.